place here consistently. So it could be one of the things. And I have the same issues with my iPad and my iPhone dying out on me. I can leave it out overnight, be at 100 charge. I wake up the next day, it's like 60% because it's so cold. But back at it. I'm just getting ripped. Nothing. Well, this is what you get when you actually pan for your own stuff. I mean, there's no guaranteed gold. Oop. I just spilled a whole bunch of water. Oh, yeah, it's a lot. Alright. Hopefully getting closer to the bottom, we find more. Ton of black sandstone this too. I'm just really shocked because of how much I already got out. Oh. Ooh. I see. Now if I lose this, I know it's me. I might have just lost it. Nope, it's still there. We got a couple? Ooh, we got a couple. Hold on, let me try and clear it up. No, I lost one. Alright. Is that it? No. Well, here, let me grab this one before I lose that. There was one more. There he is. Like, you just barely see it breaking the tension right here. Definitely not a picker by any means, but I'm going quite used to picking stuff up like that. Well, at least we're getting something. Not really making anything off it. I mean, that's just maybe $1, $2 worth so far. I thought I saw another one, but no, I'm doing good. Yeah. So if I can get stuff like that, but I mean, this is where I would need a large sluice or a dredge, not a hand dredge, what am I thinking of? Like a bed dredger, a river dredger, you know, an actual machine to do it all, put in the sluice box. I'll go over this again just in case later on afterwards if I'm still finding like tiny ones like that. They're very hard to miss. But I mean, it would take so much of those to get something with, but you know, over time collecting that little bit, there's a gram, couple grams, maybe an ounce. You know, you get up to an ounce of those little guys. It doesn't matter about the size then. It's all in the weight. I don't think we're gonna get lucky again like that. No, it doesn't look like it. Just nothing. Come on, I just want a good little picker, you know? A gram? I don't care. Maybe a half a gram, quarter gram, something. Make this all worth it. Yeah, if you guys think this is muddy, wait till you see that next batch I got coming over there. That, I'll probably be done here in a couple of days. I mean, I could drive faster, but no rush. I need a little bit more water. I got other stuff going on, doing, so. Obviously, this is not my money makers. I wish I could be living somewhere I could just go out there and pan every day. Just for my job, but I'm not that blessed yet. But if anybody's watching this and they got an area you just want buddies to pan with, I'll be more than happy to come out, get away for a few days where I'm at. Oh my god, stiffed again. Well, that's what you get when you're looking for Glacier gold. I mean, alright, we're down to our last little bit here. I could probably just do the rest of it, but being the bottom, I just want to be thorough as possible. Oh, no, wait. That was too much. I'm gonna do that little bit over here first. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see well. I mean, once I review it, I'll know and try to adjust from there accordingly. But being the first... Well, I'm not panning this again for a video. Especially with not finding anything. I mean, it's just prime example. Zero again, nothing. Prime example of you can't always find gold. You can find gold anywhere, but you can't always find gold.